Shortcut keys for Windows 10. This guide lists shortcut keys that you can use from the desktop in Windows 10. 1. Windows E. Use for switch to the desktop and launch File Explorer with the Quick Access tab displayed. 2. Windows D. Use for switch between Show Desktop, shows any applications and other windows, and the previous state. 3. Windows R. Use for display the Run dialog box. This feature is particularly useful for quickly accessing various system tools, utilities, and programs without needing to navigate through the Start menu or desktop icons. 4. Windows L. Use for lock the device and go to the lock screen. 5. Windows X. Use for open the advanced menu in the lower left corner of the screen. 6. Windows P. Use for open the project pane to search and connect to external displays and projectors. 7. Windows K. Use for open the connect pane to connect to wireless displays and audio devices. 8. Windows spacebar. Use for switch input language and keyboard layout. 9. Windows S. Use for launch Cortana. Users can begin to type a query immediately. 10. Windows I. Use for open the settings application. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my Tech Implement Infra channel. Thanks for watching video.